Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat.
Good afternoon, Father.
Let us thank the Lord for gathering us in this beautiful Monday afternoon as we celebrate today the feast of Saint Mary Magdalene, the Apostle to the Apostles. My dear brothers and sisters, reflecting her feast and our readings today, particularly the Gospel, we come to realize that loss is part of life. It comes in the disguise of minor, like everyday disappointments, as well as major storms in life. Loss sends us on a journey through the stages of grief, denial, what-ifs, sorrow, anger, and finally, acceptance. Through Mary Magdalene was going through the darkness of grief, love impelled her to search for Jesus. And though the grief over her loss blinded her initially to the presence of the risen Christ, again, it was her love that eventually made her recognize the familiar voice calling out her name, Mary, in her search. My dear brothers and sisters, Mary find not only her Lord and teacher, but also her calling to tell others of the good news. The Lord is alive. All of us go through similar experiences of loss and grief. May we come through our losses as Mary Magdalene did, ever seeking the source of all hope, the one who makes all things fresh and leads us into a meaningful life. As St. Paul wrote to the Romans, we know that all things work for good for those who love God, who are called according to His purpose. My dear brothers and sisters, in commemorating the feast of Saint Mary Magdalene, through her intercession, we pray for those who are struggling with their loss and are dealing with grief. And in facing our own storms, may we also be instruments and channels of courage and love.